Hey, what's up guys, this is Sireesh Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to unbox Jio router. So without any delay, let's jump into the video. I've applied for a 399 rupee plan. So they took 1500 rupees for a security deposit and gave me a Jio router. Clearly you can see here, the content in the box was manufactured in China. The contents in the box was manufactured in September 2020 as you can see here, and the weight of the box is 985 grams. It was a pretty good packaging from Jio. I like its packaging. First in the box, I've got the Jio router. Let's keep it aside and watch for the remaining contents in the box. I've got a power adapter specially designed for Jio router. OSG. I don't know what it is used for, so let's keep it aside. Ethernet cable. I think most of you know that what it is used for. It is used to transfer data through cable. Next in the list is telephone cable is used to connect telephone to router. A normal sticker. I also got a user manual. In this user manual, you can see this Jio router can connect to smartphones, tablets, telephone, computer, set-top box, etc. and mobile storage devices. This user manual looks pretty easy. So let's keep all these contents aside and open the Jio router. I'm so excited to open the seal of the Jio router. Wow, what an amazing router. I like this color. It was matte finished and a Jio logo in the center of the router. We got multiple options here. It looks pretty good. No, it looks pretty awesome. Now let's go set up the device and we'll see what happens next. I think this OSG connects here. Wow, it connects here and fits very well. Let's fit this extra wire in the space given here. Keeping the extra wire into the given space is difficult than it looks. Finally, I've got this. We will connect the power adapter and boot it up. Let's see what will happen. I've got a red light glowing in the center of the router. Meanwhile, I'm going to connect this Ethernet cable directly to my TV so I can experience the bufferless videos in my TV. Oh, look at here. I connected this Ethernet cable to my TV. See here. The cute red light is blinking. So let's turn on the TV. As you can see here, the screen is showing the Ethernet symbol. That means it is connected to my Jio fiber. Let's watch some videos from YouTube.
I used to live my life a quarter mile at a time.
Sound Mensch.
But things change. Who is he?
The video seems pretty good without any buffering.
Jacob is Dom's brother.
Your whole life, you pushed yourself to be fast.
Please tell me that's not a Pontiac Fiero strapped to a rocket engine?
Impressive. I know.
No, that's not impressive. I came here to take you down, little.
We will watch some videos from Netflix and find out if it buffers or not. Download and upload speed of the Jio fiber net. You can see here, the download speed of Jio fiber net is 20 Mbps. Now let's look at the upload speed. The upload speed of Jio is 30 Mbps, but Mukesh Ambani said that in Jio fiber, download speed and the upload speed is going to be same, but it is not. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe so I can get encouraged to do more videos like this and entertain you. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.